Ever felt like your finances are on some kind of crazy roller coaster ride? You budget carefully, track your spending, but somehow, money seems to mysteriously disappear. You rack your brain, but can't figure out where it's all going. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In today's world of sneaky subscription services and hidden fees, it's easier than ever to lose track of your hard-earned cash. But wait. Before you resign yourself to a life of ramen noodles and window shopping, there might be a solution. Have you heard of Rocket Money? Maybe you've seen their commercials or stumbled across their website. Now, the burning question arises, is Rocket Money just a US thing, or can it help you out no matter where you are in the world? Let's blast off and explore. The allure of Rocket Money. Imagine a world where you can finally take control of your finances. A world where you can see all your subscriptions in one place, identified and used services, and cancel them with a few clicks. A world where you can negotiate your bills and potentially save hundreds of dollars a year. That's the promise of Rocket Money, a personal finance app designed to help you manage your subscriptions, track your spending, and even lower your bills. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But is it a universal launch or just a US mission? Here's the truth. As of today, Rocket Money services are currently only available in the United States. It's a bummer for our international friends, but there's a reason for it. Financial systems and regulations vary greatly around the world. What works seamlessly in the US might not translate smoothly to other countries. Rocket Money wants to ensure they can provide the best possible service to their users, and that includes navigating the complexities of different financial landscapes. However, there's still hope. Even though Rocket Money isn't currently available outside the US, that doesn't mean you're out of luck. Here are some alternative strategies to help you gain control of your finances. The manual approach. Take some time to go through your bank statements and credit card bills. Identify recurring charges and subscriptions you don't recognize or no longer use. Contact the service providers directly to cancel them. Subscription management apps. There are several apps available globally that can help you track your subscriptions. These apps might not offer all the features of Rocket Money, but they can still be a valuable tool. Renegotiate your bills. Don't underestimate the power of negotiation. Call your service providers, cable companies, internet providers, phone companies, and see if you can negotiate a better deal. Embrace budgeting. Creating a realistic budget and sticking to it is crucial for managing your finances. There are many budgeting apps and resources available online to help you get started. Remember, taking control of your finances is an ongoing journey. Even if Rocket Money isn't an option yet, there are still steps you can take to save money and reach your financial goals. The future of Rocket Money and your finances. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and Rocket Money is always looking for ways to expand its reach. It's possible that they might offer their services internationally in the future. So, what can you do? Keep an eye on Rocket Money's website and social media channels for updates. If they do launch internationally, you'll be the first to know. In the meantime, use the tips we've discussed to take charge of your finances. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.